Continental name has been part of the Bentley story for 63 years. It was the R-Type Continental of 1952 that first introduced the name, and it's been associated with grand touring ever since. With a top speed of 120 miles per hour, the R-Type was the fastest four-seater in the world at the time, designed to cruise the newly built Route Nationale and Autobahn to literally cross continents at high speed and, of course, in peerless luxury. With just 3 strokes of the designer's pen, the shape of the Continental comes to life. The striking power line, muscular rear haunches, and swooping, fast roofline. Today's Continental elegantly fulfills the same brief as its forebear, with a top speed of 206 miles per hour and an unsurpassed ability to undertake grand tours. These 3 elegant styling cues are still a fundamental part of Beetle's DNA over 6 decades later. They combine to make it one of the most iconic cars on the road.